Good morning, student. In our last video, we have studied about knockout tournament and league tournament and its procedure to draw knockout fixtures and league fixture. Today, we will study about intramural competitions.
Intramural. Intramural is a combination of two words, intra and mural. Intra means inside and murals means within the wall. So intramurals means competition within the wall of institution. In intramural competition, the students of same institutions are divided into various groups and there is a competition between the between this group. This is known as intramural competition. The intramural competitions help in all round development of a student. The motive of intramurals activity is to bring mass participation, develop the interest towards physical activity, and developing the caliber means capacity, developing the capacity of organizing the program of intramural by student. Objective of intramural competition. The first objective of intramural is mass participation. The prime objective of intramural is to bring mass participation in the activities. Due to intramural activities are conducted inside the wall of institution. So there is a mass participation of the student in intramural activities. Second is to identify talent. One of the objective of intramural is to identify new talented student for higher activity. Since intramurals competition are conducted within the institution, there is a mass participation of the institution. So it helps to identify new talent of the student. To create interest, intramural develop and create interest in the student. To develop social value, it provide healthy atmosphere to compete and develop social value like discipline, cooperations. As intramural competitions are conducted in a healthy way, so it's hard to develop social quality like discipline, cooperations, friendship, togetherness, etc. in the student. To organizational ability in student. Intramurals helps to develop the leadership and organizational ability in student. As in intramurals competitions, there is a large participation of the institutions um, institution. So it's hard to develop leadership. Each student get a chance to be as a leaders of the group. So it's hard to develop leadership quality in them, as well as they get a chance to organize the activity. So it also help to develop organizational ability in student. Recreation. Intramural activity helps to create recreation feeling of sportsmanship. It's helped to develop the top social quality like sportsmanship. Intramurals have to develop sportsmanship spirit in student. Sportsmanship spirit means it's helped to it's help the student to follow the rules and regulation of the game, develop discipline in them, friendship, etc. These are the objective of intramural competition. Principle of intramurals. Principles means rules for conducting intramural competition. The first principles of intramural is need and condition of institution. For conducting intramurals competitions, they should considers like strength of student, age group of student, genders, staff, time available, duration, etc. for conducting intramural activity. Second is facility activity. Facility available for conducting intramural activity. Intramural activities, they should consider facility available within the institutions, as intramurals is conducted within the institution, so they should see that play field, ground play field equipment, officials, helping staff, etc. are available in the institutions or not. According to that, they should plan for intramural activity. Fund available. To organize any types of activities, funds are required to provide medal, trophy, kit, arrangement, refreshment, etc. So, the institutions should have sufficient fund to organize intramurals activity. Activity for mass participations. Intramurals, as intramural competitions are conducted within the institutions, so there should be a mass participation of the institution, mass participation of the student of the institution. This can be done by motivations like like conducting variety of activities, etc. Active role of student, as these activities are for student, so students should perform active role in the intramural activity. Supervision by teacher. Intramurals activity should be guided and supervised by the teacher. Teachers should motivate the student for active participation in this tournament, in these competitions. Okay, student, there should be a motivation. Student, teacher should motivate the student. Inculcate social and moral value, means including social and moral value. Intramural activity, the social and moral value should be included among the student. They like cooperations, friendship, togetherness, discipline, adjustment, etc. This should be include in student. Student body in lead up role, and in organizing intramural activity, the lead up roles of students be performed with full sincerity. They are like presidents, vice president, secretary, assistant secretary, cashiers, captain, etc. As in intramural activities, students are divided in small group, so in each group they get a chance to be a leaders of that group. So they should develop a leadership quality in them. They act as a captain of the group, assistant secretary, vice president, etc. of that group. So it's have to develop lead of role. Division of student in house. Intramural activity need healthy competition. Thus, students should be equally divided into various house. Division of student. There should be a equal division of student in each house for a competition. Develop good leadership. Each house or each group should be guided and lead by experienced captain, and whereas vice captain should equally share his responsibility. There should be a captain, experienced captain in each group to lead his group. Importance of intramural activities. Provide opportunity. Intramural activity provide a good opportunity to every student to participate in competition, as these are conducted within the institution. So each student has maximum opportunity to participate. Develop interest. Intramural activities are conducted within the institution, so it helps to develop interest in the student. healthy competition. Intramural competitions are organized in a good and healthy atmospheres. Intramural activities provide good and healthy atmosphere for our competitions. So, uh, and also it's hard to bring recreational sportsmanship quality. Intramural activities help to develop sportsmanship quality like spirit of togetherness, playing the games with rules and regulations, etc. Promote moral value. It promote moral value, social and moral value in real practical life. Also, moral value like cooperations, togetherness, friendship, discipline, etc. In their real practical life also. Leadership quality. It develops leadership ability among the student and give lot of chance to improve for others. Intramural activities provide a chance to be a leaders of the group, so it's hard to develop leadership quality in the student. Develop talents as intramural activity provide maximum opportunity to student to participate in the competition, so it helps to develop talent in the student. Organizational ability, it gives experience to a student to organize and administer the program with new idea. Means it help means it give intramural activity give the opportunity to the student to organize the competitions or activity with new idea, etc. Better selections. If a teachers or coach, if it help the teachers or coach to select and screen a good player for extramural competition, new talented players is also noticed by our teachers. Better selection means it helps the teachers or coach to select good student for extramural activities. Better coaching, players are further trained for extramural activity by getting good chance in intramural activity. In intramural activities, there is a mass participation of student, and in intramural activity, mass participation of student, and from this some good players are selected. Good players are selected, and the teachers or coach give a good training for participating in extramural activities, in extramural competition. Extramural competitions means competitions outside the wall of institution, that is between the institution. There is a competition between the player of two or more institutions or school. In such competition, selected players represent their institution in a particular game or sport in order to show their skill and bring honor to their institution, like inter-college, inter-university, inter-district, state, cluster, regional, national, international level, etc. These are extramural competitions, means competition outside the wall of institution. Need of extramural activities. First is good selection. For participating in extramural activity, there should be a proper and fair team selection by the expert, as in extramural activities they are going to represent and their institution, so there should be a fair selection. Sufficient practice. Extramural competition. In extramural competitions, students are going selected team should do sufficient practice of game under good coach, as they are going to represent their institution, so they should do a sufficient practice. Systematic training. Proper training methods should be followed in a systematic, progressive way during their practice season. They should they should do a proper training in a systematic way. Team strategy develop. The selected team must be well trained regarding rules and regulations of the game, umpire signal, technical approach of skill, tactical patterns, and strategic pattern of the game. Teamwork. The selected team should be uh, cooperate with each others. There should be a friendship bond and togetherness between the team. Develop social quality. Coach or teachers should encourage players towards social and morals quality like helping natures, adjustment, discipline, leadership, etc. Develop good team ethics. All members of the team should be enforced to obey their captain, leaders, and coach with full sincerity. Use of equipment. Use of standardized equipment as they are going to represent their institution. So the team or the players should standards equipment during the training as well as in competitions like proper sports kit, proper shoes, guard, balls, etc. Competitions among age group. The document or eligibility pro forma of players should be correct as per record, whereas original age group should be shown if required. In extramurral competition or in any competitions, there should be a age proof. Respecting rules, team must play the competition with true spirit of sportsmanship, respecting and abiding by the rules and regulations which were governs. The team should follow the rules and regulations of the game and compete with full discipline. Specific sports program. Specific sports program are those program of sports which are not related to the competition. These programs are designed with multiple objectives with their focus on well-being of individual. The aim of program is to create awareness among the common peoples regarding unity and integrity, preventions and protections against various disease, etc. The first thing is specific sports program is not a competition. It is a program to create awareness among the peoples regarding unity and integrity, preventions, protections against various diseases, etc. Specific sports program motivate and create the feeling to take part in this sports program. Specific sports program are usually organized by non-government organizations, state government, federations, etc. to create health consciousness among the people and take part in health-related sports program and enhance the good health and fitness. More and more peoples of all age group should take part in such sports program to develop their fitness. Some examples of specific sports program are Run for Fun, Run for Unity, Run for Awareness, Health Run, National Sports Day, Cross Country, etc. Specific sports program. First is Sports Day. Sports Day Sports Day is organized within the institutions, means within the school or within the institution. Sports Day is organized once in a year to improve all-round development of a child. In Sports Day, various physical and recreational activities are included. Sports Day provide ample opportunity to students to participate in the activity of their choice. Students can participate in the activity of their choice. And also student get a good experience to organize and good experience of organizations and administrations. Health run is organized by sports and health department to raise fund for charity, to spread awareness among about the health and fitness. In health run, peoples of any age any age group can participate by getting themselves registered in advance. Run for fun. Run for fun. Funds means participating in a running program for fun and enjoyment, and it is not a competitions. This program create awareness among the people to keep themselves fit and healthy. This run for fun is also organized to raise the fund for charity, etc. Next is Run for Unity. Run for Unity include unity, peace, harmony among the people. Its purpose is to develop togetherness, brotherhood, and national integrity. It mostly have long distance relay event or race to promote collective effort. Factor for specific sports program. For organizing specific sports program, a good planning and good organizations is required. Therefore, the following factors should be considered during planning of specific sports program. The first factor is purpose of the program. The purpose of the program should be made clear to all. For what purpose we are organizing the program, it should be made clear to all. To decide date and venue, the date, day, and venue of the program should be decided in advance, and special day should be preferred for specific awareness form. If possible, special day should be prepared. For example, if you want to organize, for example, if you want to organize yoga, then prefers yoga day. Or for organizing the running health run, it is better to choose the health run day, to choose a health day. Chalking out schedule. A good planning is required. Why? Chalking out the schedules and timing of the program means a good planning is required for making the schedule of the program, like uh, opening and closing time of the program, assembly and dispersal point of the players team, etc. Part for event. The running part or the track should be decided after considering the distance and safety factors of the part. For examples, for organizing any running event, the track should be decided after considering the distance. For example, if you want to organize 5 kilometer running, then according to that the running path should be decided, and also the safety factors should be considered for organizing the program. Arranging the requirement. Proper considers should be given by arranging the requirement for this program ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, वी शुड कंसिडर्स. मेकिंग बजट. After deciding the program, the budget for the event should be made, and sufficient funds should be arranged for the program. Information to participant. A good planning is required to inform to participant about the program. We can inform through media, television, newspaper, etc. And also we have to inform about the rules and regulations of the event. Safety arrangement. Proper planning should be made regarding safety arrangement of the participants. We can take help from the traffic police, diversions of traffic, assistance from publics, as well as we can take the help of other volunteers, etc. For us, for safety of the participant. Check over participant. We should make proper planning to to make to make check and control the participant. They must be guided and directed properly at different point में we should give directions and also guide. If possible, participants should wear dress code. Facility for event. The needful facility like water, refreshment, medical aid for injured persons, recovery van, etc. should be arranged. Reward reward for winners. Rewards should be given to the positions holders, and uh, and we can also give participant certificate to the other persons to encourage to motivate them. Safety dispersals. At the end of the program, the organizers should make the safe dispersals of the participant.